Hey, crafty family, and welcome to another video by She's So Crafty. It's Shopping Sunday, and we are headed to the Dollar Tree, and the second wave of the Valentine's Day items have arrived, and even a sneak peek into the Plus Easter. So let's get started. Now, I'm starting off with the Valentine's Day items. I found this 3-compartment tray. I've never seen this before. Really pretty and a large size for $1.50. They also have these large decorative bowls. Look at the design and pattern on these, and it is raised. So they did have them in this blushy pink color, and they also have them in red. I've never seen these bowls before at the Dollar Tree. Now, to go along with this bowl, they did have a dinner plate. Now, the dinner plates are sold in red and pink as well, and these come in a 2-pack. So you can get 2 of the plates with that raised decor design, all for $1.50. Now, another plate that they did have in this collection is the dinner or dessert sized plate. And now in this pack, they do have red and pink, and these do come in a 4-pack. I can totally see making like a table decor or tiered tray out of all these different sizes. So keep that in mind when looking at all of these items. Check out these drink containers. This is a faceted heart drink container. They have it in a hot pink and a red. So super cute. Again, just $1.50. These are really nice too. Now, these are glass wine glasses. Look at the red bottom on this. These are perfect for a special Valentine's occasion, you guys, for $1.50. So really pretty. This is another one. This is a stemless wine glass that says my Valentine has 4 paws for us, for our pet friends. And look, tons of new gnomes have come out with. They always go out with the gnomes with the different seasons, and they didn't disappoint this year. They had so many different gnomes for Valentine's Day. Great for your basket stuffers. Now, I did finally find the multicolor beaded heart, and I wanted to show you that just arrived for $1.50 as well. Now, if you're looking for shelf decor or table decor, check out all of these thick MDF pieces. So this is shaped like a little bottle. It does have a bow and metal accents on the top. I love these because they are so really thick. Now, they did have much more. You can get them in like a square design. Now, all of these little squares have different wording and have different phrases on the front of them. So you can sort through them and pick out the ones that match your personality the most. And let me tell you, I've seen these like on office desk. I actually seen my dentist office decorate with all of these little pieces on this. So I'm saying I know where you have shopped at for your Valentine's Day decor. Now, I do love these as well. These are the house-shaped and barn-shaped pieces as well for Valentine's Day. So keep your eye out for these. They're just $1.50. They also have these. So this one says My Sweet, and it has a little cupcake up top. You can also get one with a little heart at top, and that one says My Love. All the little Valentine's decor is just so sweet. If you're still on the hunt for the trees, they did have them in 2 different colors this year. So I did find those. You can see that they were picked over and people have been buying them. If you have a white one left over from the Christmas holiday, you could definitely use that for Valentine's Day as well. So keep that in mind. I did find these tumblers. These are the diamond cut tumblers. We saw some during Christmas, but I did see white and red for Valentine's Day. I'm not sure if they'll have a pink one, but I'm going to look out for that for $1.50. And if you're putting a basket together for the littles or even someone who loves blocks, they have block sets. Now, this one is a little bear. They have this one too. This is a heart that's perched on a little stand for Valentine's Day. And then that last one in there is really cute. That one says, I love you, all in blocks. You guys, this is a first time find for me this year at Dollar Tree for $1.50. These are really cute too. More shelf decor. Look at this. No, you hang up first. Who remembers that back in the day? They have all kinds of different phrases and little signs that you can put up. I thought that these were just the sweetest for $1.50, you guys. So many things in this second wave I'm really enjoying from Dollar Tree. If you love the long signs, they have returned in different designs. So you could use these as is and display them on a tabletop, or I've seen people repurpose them, cut them up, make them as legs for a table or a stand. The back of these is blank, so you can use it as a blank. So there's so many options to use these long, thick MDF wood signs from the Dollar Tree. So make sure you check those out. They just were put on the shelves at my store. If you want solid wood, they have these wood hearts that are back. If you watch my DIYs, I have DIY with this. And I also see the little wood hearts in the multi-packs as well. Now, I just recently put up some DIYs on my Facebook page. If you're not following me there, make sure you follow me. There's lots of DIYs that you can follow for the Valentine's Day season over there. Now, look at these large signs. Now, these are the large glitter signs. We see these a lot around Christmas with Merry Christmas, but now they have a bunch of them for Valentine's Day. Now, one thing I would suggest is that you definitely cover these in a sealer like Mod Podge, because they are glitter, and we know how Dollar Tree and glitter mix. They shed everywhere. So make sure you do that if you buy them. But other than that, these will be great for decor. You can put them as wreath centerpieces if you build wreaths. But as you can see, they have a lot more than I've ever seen at the Dollar Tree. So make sure you check those out for $1.50. I don't think I've ever seen a heart chandelier at Dollar Tree, but I did this year. So they had 2 different designs for the heart chandelier. So if you're decorating your space, this will be a really cute accent. And check out these little roses, you guys. So these are light up roses. It comes with a battery, and they do have lights on them. I'm telling you, these sold out so quickly in years past. You can get them in white, you can get them in pink, and you can get them in red. And it does come with the battery included. Now, over in that plus area, they had a bunch of different things for Valentine's Day. The bamboo heart cutting boards with the little spreading knife included. I really love these. I think that they come out every year, but they're always just as impressive. And the most impressive thing is that this bamboo tray is only just $5, and it has multiple different phrases. Now, if you do want something else different, rose garland, and this lights up, you guys. So this is 30 count rose garland, and it's 12.5 feet for just $5. If you love the throw blankets at Dollar Tree, I am a huge fan of them. They are back with different Valentine's Day themes. They're only $6, and you can see it has all those fun patterns. I think this is a great basket filler for a gift for your sweetheart. So make sure you check those out again for $6. More heart garland as well. So this is labeled at $5, and you can see they have little puffy hearts. Now you can get them in all red or multi-colors. You could definitely take this apart for DIYs if you wanted to. They have the frame with the little shaker glitter inside. 3 different styles showed up at my Dollar Tree this week. I think that these are just so adorable. This XOXO sign is another item that's returning from last year. I know they have hugs and kisses, but it didn't show up yet, but they do have that available. And these triple heart signs, these are probably one of my favorites. So they're layered, and I love that 3-dimensional type of look to it. You can get them all in red, wrapped in a ribbon. And then at another store, I saw one that was more of a neutral vibe. If you don't want all the bright, robust colors and want something a little bit more laid back, you can get this neutral one, or you can get a combination of the white, pink, and red. So there's 3 of them to choose from in this triple heart layered design. This is another one that came back. This is the XOXO sign with the heart roses. I love this one. Really nice for $6. Now, they did have a couple more at another store. They did have this one, I Love You More. I love that it has the beads and the metal on the front, so it gives it more accent for the $6 that you're paying. So yes, definitely cute decor on a budget. This bundle of roses is so cute. So it's $6, and they're milk chocolate roses. Yes, I love that. And it's a dozen of them. How cute would this be just to give your sweetheart just a little gift? I love this. I've never seen this before at the Dollar Tree, but it is only $6. Now we are in that 90-day window, which means Easter is coming on the shelves, and let me tell you, I started in this plus section and they had so many. The Easter metal standing signs are back. I love these. They always go pretty quickly, and I believe they're just still $5 for these. Also, the tall leaners, you guys, these are really popular as well. They're just $5 and they're 48 inches tall. I'm still shocked that these are still $5 for this large sign. These little basket woven little bunnies are super cute. They come in different designs. They're only $6 a piece. And then right next to it, they have those metal bunnies that always return every year. You can see they have textures on them. You can get bunnies and little chicks. They're standing or sitting down bunny. Those are really cute too for $6. And then the bunny ear tray is back. This was really popular as well. I think this is really, really cute. So you can get it in white. They had it in pink. You can get it in green as well. So make sure you check that out. Now these bunnies here are $10. They stand 25 inches, but I think that's a little bit pricey for this one for it being so lightweight. Now they did have another option, which is a little tiny one, which was $5, but still, I think that one is still a little pricey too. They need to bring that down. And then of course they have our moss bunnies. They always return as well, and those are $5. If you are a fan of the wreath garland, they are back as well. So these are the Easter wreath garland. And of course, if you do not like the garland, you can remove it and use that wreath form to do all kinds of crafts and DIYs. I love these multi-purpose type of items that you can do anything with. And so yes, these are $7. Now look, something else that's $7 are new tiered trays. They have 2 new designs this year. These are $7. They have that one with the eggs, and then they have this one with a plaid pattern, perfect for the spring holidays. Check out these little snack cups. These are really cute too. You can either sit your cupcake in them, or you can put little Easter snacks in them. There is a 40 count pack of these. I heard that there could be one with a higher count, so make sure you shift to the back to see if you could get a 50 count or larger. And these eggs are really nice too. These are the ones that are wrapped with that rope. These are also returning from last year, and they're $6. They had 3 different color combinations that you can choose from on this. Now these eggs are probably one of my favorite. They're like a kind of resin material, but look at the carvings and the designs in them. You guys, there's several for you to choose from. I think these would be beautiful to decorate with, and they're only just $5 for these. If you're looking for a centerpiece that's already put together, they have these happy Easter centerpieces with flowers. Some have eggs, some have metal bunnies in there. Really, really nice. Already pre-made, so you don't have to put any effort into them, and they're just $5. If you're looking for a potted plant, they have this. These are the faux plants. Some of them have eggs and flowers, all in that springy Easter vibe, and these are $5. Now, I do love these Easter trees, and I probably pick one up every year because I'm always doing something different in my home. These little Easter trees are nice. You can get them in a wood box. You can also get them here in a weighted burlapped bottom, but you can see the combination of the greenery and the eggs will vary from tree to tree. They also have this one, which is a metal bucket style, and this one has a little glitter on the leaves. Those are really nice, and I'm really surprised that these are still just $5 for these trees. The large eggs are back in all kinds of colors, you guys. You can fill these with all kinds of goodies, and they are just $5. Imagine all the things you can stuff in these big old eggs. The stacking egg decor is back, you guys. 2 feet tall. You can get them in like white or a multicolored theme. Also, the turf is back. So this is faux turf. It's $7 and it's 65 inches long. You guys, really great deal for just $7. And then they do have the rugs. The rugs have come back. Now my Dollar Tree only had 3 of the rugs. They're 16 by 28 and they're $6 a piece. Perfect spring accent for your front porch. And I love that they're super thick. They're not blowing away anywhere in heavy winds, which I can appreciate. So they're really nice weighted. They have some bunny pom-pom garland. When these come back, I always smile. I just think that they're just too cute. And these bunnies here, they're hollow on the inside, but I don't know about that $5 price. It seems like these should be a little weighted. I would definitely add weight to these because these will blow away. Also, the 4 nesting Peeps bunnies are back. You guys, these are $7. These are a great deal for that price. Now check out this large plush Easter bunny basket. Now this thing is huge compared to their regular ones here. So you can still get the Elmo characters and all those characters, but check it out. I just have a stack of 2 of the smaller ones and I'm putting it next to the bigger one. You can see how much bigger that is. Look how huge it is. And that one is $10 for the large one. Now, if you're looking for Easter eggs, they have 100-piece count pack of the Easter eggs. If you're looking for that, that is a good deal for $5. And then this was neat too. So this is an LED bubble wand. It's $5. Now you guys, this thing has sound. It comes with your bubbles. It has lights. I think that this would be super cute to put in a kid's basket, and you can get it as a really cool bunny with the sunglasses. Or they have this one here that has the little baby chick on it, you guys. I think the kiddos would have so much fun with this, and with spring coming and in the bubbles, you want to get them outdoors to do some activities for just $5. They have some Play-Doh themed eggs here. This is $5 for this pack, so you can sprinkle these among the eggs in the Easter basket. And then they have this rotating egg decorator kit. You guys, this thing holds your eggs, it spins it, really neat. It has music, lights, spins. This is $7. I've never seen anything like this at the Dollar Tree. They just put it on the shelf, so you definitely want to check it out. Now, this is just the beginning of all the Easter things in the plus section, and the regular section should be put out in the days to come. Now, if you missed my last Dollar Tree video featuring even more fun, amazing finds, check it out now by clicking the link in the upper right-hand corner of this video, or click the link provided in the description box below. Now, I do hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me on this shopping trip today, and if you want to see the items I've created with my Dollar Tree supplies, you can check out my Dollar Tree Crafts playlist with hundreds of projects that will inspire you to get creative too. Now, before I go, I just wanted to say thank you for sticking around to the end. Now, if you had not had any luck finding those recordable message tapes at Dollar Tree, I have picked up a few extra for a giveaway. Now, I'm going to be giving away one of these recordable tapes to not 1, but 2 lucky winners. Now, it's really easy to enter this giveaway. First, just leave a comment below answering this question. What were your top 3 favorite items from this video? Now, this contest closes on Tuesday, January 13th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, so be sure to comment before this time. Now, most importantly, make sure you are subscribed and have your notifications turned on so you won't miss the notification if your comment is selected as the winner. Now be sure to check back on Wednesday, January 14th to see if you are selected by checking my top pinned comment in the comment section, and I will also respond directly to your comment if you are the winner. Now to confirm you understand this, leave a pink heart emoji or the words pink heart in your comment along with the answer to today's question to be entered into the drawing. Now, it's important to note that this contest is not sponsored by YouTube, and we are solely responsible for conducting the contest and delivering the prize to the winner. So please be sure to read the full list of rules in the description box below to make sure you meet all of the requirements for a valid entry. I wish each and every one of you good luck. Now listen, I hope you find these videos helpful to make your shopping experience easier by knowing about the latest arrivals, the price changes, and store updates at Dollar Tree. If this helps you, let me know by leaving a thumbs up, and be sure to leave a comment letting me know your latest scores. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you'll be notified ahead of time when we go live. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all next time.